Hi, I'm Amy Schmidt with Dinner Board with what to make this week. 5 great recipes. Recipe number 1, caramelized Brussels sprouts toast with burrata and bacon. It's quite a mouthful. It sounds like an odd combination, and toast for dinner might not sound like the most appetizing thing, but I tell you, this is my everything. The combinations of the flavors is unbelievable, and I was worried that my kids wouldn't eat Brussels sprouts, but they would eat a shoe if it was wrapped in bacon, and I probably would too. This dinner's a home run. Recipe number 2 is steak fajitas. Dinner in a flash, literally. You slice the steak, peppers, onions, put some fajita seasoning on it, and stick it in the oven for 12 minutes, and dinner is ready. Fast, easy, and delicious. Recipe number 3 is cheese Buldak. It is a Korean dish also known as fire chicken. I saw this on New York Times and I was fascinated by the combination of ingredients. It's by a Korean chef named Monchi, whose video on YouTube has 8 million views so far. She's hysterical and the recipe is delicious. It is a must try. Recipe number 4 is cod and clam chowder. I've been really jonesing a good light summer chowder, and this recipe is from Bon Appetit. It's light but creamy, but not overly thick. It has buttery potatoes, clams, cod, all the things in chowder that we love. The one thing is it takes about an hour to make. I give you a couple tips for speeding it up, but just something to know if you're gonna make that this week. And recipe number 5 is pesto with penne, broccoli, and pearls. My basil is absolutely thriving right now, so I wanted to come up with an easy pesto that's nut-free, my son's allergic to tree nuts, that I could mix with some penne, some broccoli, and pearls. And pearls are really just tiny mozzarella balls that are fantastic, and they add a little protein to the salad as well. You can eat this warm, or you can make it ahead, stick it in the refrigerator, and have it for dinner later in the day. So those are the recipes for this week. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you like, what you may try. Feel free to like my channel and please subscribe to see more videos from me with my weekly dinner menus. Thanks for watching.